Got some spring cleanup to do to this garden. It's coming. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna do some weeding, and then I think I'm gonna edge and mulch this with wood chips. Everything's just starting to come in real good. My Zulu Warriors are perennial, and they're coming back. And then we've got this soapwort just starting to bloom. There's a red guillaume from last year I grew. Should bloom this year. We've got the basket of gold going crazy. And then we've got these stupid plants coming up everywhere like weeds. I don't know what they're called, but I hate them. And it's hard to get the roots. But anyway, this needs a good edging for sure. There's those things. I don't remember what they're called. They have amazing orange flowers though. Big giant weed. Lupins are coming in. Some liatris coming in. Got 3 of those. This is a orangeade potentilla, which hopefully flowers soon. What else have we got? Oh, my favorite, Tango Agastaki, coming in. This is a mock orange, ram's horn willow, a dense yew, some sort of daisy. What's that? Mallow? Mallow or hollyhock? I'm not sure. Probably mallow. These were the daylilies I got. There was, I don't remember the colors. I think there's a white one and a black one, and then a lime green one, and then the other type of lilies I got 3 of. They're coming back great. But as you can see, there's these spiky guys I gotta weed out. I got some new gloves for that. There is, this is, what is it called? Eryngium, blue sea holly. There's a few of those in here. There's Santa Barbara daisies, which are actually a weed here, kind of. They just pop up everywhere, so I'm probably gonna rip all those out because there's more geum under there. I forget what kind of spirea that is. It was advertised as bridal wreath spirea, but it's not. Another dense yew. Another mock orange, which I kind of cleared out around it. And then a few more things down there. So let's get this cleaned up. Oh, and then out front, more lupins. Hello, Buff. You gonna come supervise? Yes, you are. Oh, and the pool cover. Ignore that. All right, here goes. First, I need gloves. I wouldn't go on there. You want your sweater? Come here, let's put your sweater on. Hey, much better. You ready? I need 1 foot. Got bigger boobies. Look. You feel better? You look better. Good. You gonna have fun? they just planted everything that's invasive, and that's it. Like there's violets everywhere and brass buttons everywhere. It's gonna be a lifetime fight. Fireworks are starting, thank God she's not scared of them. For today. Too dark to show you, I think. All right, it's the next day. Not bad, I guess. Looking pretty good. Ooh, especially over here. And that is so much better. Anyway, so now I'm gonna edge the whole thing and mulch it with wood chips. Let's do this. Okay, nice straight down little trench all the way around. I can't breathe. And then tomorrow I'm gonna try and weed the rest of the grass and junk along the edge there, and then mulch with wood chips. I am so done today, I'm too hot. All right, it's the next day. Just gotta do some weeding around the edges, and then I'm gonna mulch, and then I'm probably gonna plant some stuff. That shit. For that last corner, I'm doing cardboard. Oh my God, it's so filled. little teddy cedar there. I'm gonna plant one there, obviously. Doesn't that look so much better? I planted a DeGroot spire out front, and I trimmed all the grass and weeds out front. Pretty sweet. So I think I'm just gonna put more wood chips all around the outside of the fence, and that is that. And don't mind the pool cover trying to kill the grass over there. That's it for this one.